Hello everyone, so in today's tutorial I'll be sharing with you not one, not two but 6 futuristic fonts in Canva which you can use for your own designs. So let's start with it. So I am choosing YouTube thumbnail as my design template to show you the futuristic fonts. So let's start with it. So I'm going to text here and I am clicking on add a heading. Okay, and for this I will keep it as black. And so Christmas is coming, so let's make it Merry Christmas for example. Okay, make it in double line and let's make it bigger so that you understand the fonts really well. So I'm making it to 144 so that you understand the fonts really well. Okay, so the first font is Space Age. Okay, so as you can see it is a free font. So this is the first font. As you can see here, it is Merry Christmas as is written, but the font is Space Age, so it looks very much futuristic. And next you can use Space Mono or Spaceship for this example. So it will look something like this, as you can see here. Okay, so this is the first font, and let's go to the next font, which is Adriana. Okay, so this is the second font. As you can see here, let's make it slightly smaller so that it fits to the frame. Okay, let's keep it here. So this is the second font, which is Adriana, and you can use it as it's also a free font to use. And next we'll go to the third font, which is Archetype Rubet. So this is the second one, and the fourth one is another futuristic font which you can find in the same archetype column, which is Archetype Bear. So both the fonts, as you can see, it's in Pro, but if you are having a Pro account you can easily use them for your own designs. Okay, so the fifth font will be Stop Motion. Okay, so as you can see, it's another free font and you can use it for your own designs. Let's come to the sixth font. Okay, so the sixth font is Blanca. Okay, so as you can see, this is the sixth font and it looks really cool. And these are the 6 fonts which I am talking about in this video and which you can use for your own designs. Hope you like this video. Keep supporting our channel for more interesting tutorials absolutely free. Thank you and keep supporting.